If you're someone who's getting facials regularly and it's not working, it could be for a variety of reasons. Let's start with the treatments. You're getting regular facials, but they're just kind of, ho-hum, little enzyme here, a little steam here. They are doing extractions, maybe they're not doing extractions, which they should be doing extractions to get that stuff out of the pores. So I would really recommend something like the Hydrofacial. We know that's just been blowing the nation by storm. It cleanses, it exfoliates, it extracts, and infuses the skin all in one step. So kind of like a carpet shampooer for the skin, it's pulling the stuff out of the skin, the dirt, the oil, the debris, the makeup, the dead skin, the sweat, sunscreen. If you're not pulling those things out of the skin and you're continuing to get regular facials, it's because those things have still been left down in there. So it's breeding more bacteria or making your skin look more uneven or dull, or the texture is just not quite right. So getting the right type of treatment, the right type of facial is quintessential. Not just getting facials, get the right type of facial, and get the right type of facial for your skin. The second reason someone might be not seeing great results after getting so many treatments on a regular monthly basis is because their products aren't right. Either the products that are being used for them aren't really right for their skin type, so it's really drying them out, or it's not hydrating them enough, or the products that they're using at home aren't really formulated for their skin type. So because of those two reasons, someone would not see results getting regular facials. The third thing and last thing is their lifestyle. When someone is, has a very stressful job, stressful situation, they're not getting a lot of sleep, maybe they're not eating well, whatever you're putting in your body or on your body, it's affecting the outcome of the results of those facials. So if you can knock out those three things, you will start to see results in your skin and getting those regular facial treatments, I promise.